Hey guys, I am Sheikh. Welcome all of you in the second video of Recursion. Okay, so I'm recording in such a way so that even if you missed the first video, you will not have a problem watching the second video. So every video can be watched from the scratch. Okay, but if you watch in a series, you will understand it's much better, right? Okay, but you can watch in any order. Okay, totally up to you. Okay, guys. So with that said, I am Sheikh. Welcome all of you. So you guys know this video is being made in association with Newton School. They are a great platform which help you guys to get a good placement in any of the tech companies with a package of 5 lakhs or above, depending on your previous package, or if you're a fresher, usually 5 lakhs or above. If you are experienced, it can vary. Okay, and we are having a like January batch. So if you're interested to join, totally free of course, no fee until you get placed. Just ping us on the contact details given in the video description. So now let's get started. Awesome. Okay, guys. So here are we are in the Newton School playground. It's good to click on create. Let's click on recursion 2. I mean, recursion problem 2. So I'm writing recursion P2. Okay. Why this description is compulsory? Okay. Problem 2. Okay. So problem 2. Okay. Awesome. Great. Okay, so here are we. Let's select JavaScript. I'm selecting JavaScript, but you can select any language. The language I'm just selecting to show you the answer, so that you can get an idea. Okay. Language is just for a namesake. Okay, the concept is technically same in all the things, not technically actually same in all the things. Okay, great, awesome. So let's be here. So what I'll do, I will just make it a little zoomed. I guess it was already enough zoomed. 150% is enough. Okay, so now let's continue. So this is a problem for today. Function. Let's take a function. Let's take it name like print numbers. Okay, perfect. And here, what we are basically doing, this is my base condition. Now you know how to put a base condition, right? So if n is equal 0, print. So just return empty. Okay. So yesterday we were printing a number in the reverse order. If you remember, 3 to 1 was our output in the last video. In this video, we'll try to print the numbers in the forward order, 1 to 3. Okay. So here what I am doing, I'm just writing print numbers and -1. So currently you don't have to understand the logic a lot. Currently you have to focus on how recursion is working. Let's understand that for a few problems. Then we will also work on logic. Okay. So console.log. Console.log basically print, okay, of your language. Okay. Here I am calling print numbers. Let's suppose 3. Okay. So if I run it, you'll get it 1 to 3. Okay. We have to understand how we got the output. So we learned two way. One was the stack way, one was the what is a tree way. So let's have a look. Okay, so number 1, the stack way. So let's take it like this. Yo, okay, almost straight line, which I hardly make, but I have made it this time. Okay, let's call this as P. Okay, just giving it a short name instead of writing print numbers. So 3, we are starting from 3, right? Okay, that means the value of n is 3, right? Awesome. So this condition is wrong. Okay, so print n minus 1, that is I will be calling P2. So now I cannot proceed here because I don't know the value of P2. Only if I know the value of P2, then I can proceed ahead. So once I know, I'll proceed and go to line number 6. Like once I get the value of it, right? So step number 1, what I have to do? I have to calculate the value of P2. So I have to calculate the value of P2. P2, that means like we'll put 2 here, n is equals to 2. So again, I am stuck here at line number 5. It will ask me the value of P1. First find the value of P1, then proceed. So okay, so we'll first find the value of P1, then proceed. So now I came to P1. and P1 is like n is equals to 1, and it will be like, hey, first find the value of P0, then proceed. So I'll be like, totally okay, no problem, bro. So this is 6, and then I am like at P0. P0 is like chill guy, not a problem. N is 0 here, right? So it will say, I'll return you empty, means empty return. So what is the value that is returned? Empty, right? So since this is return empty, so what is the value of this? Is empty. Technically means no value. Then I'll come to line number 6. What is there in line number 6? You will say console.log, and basically means print n. Okay, so n is equals to 1, so 1 got printed. Okay, so now it is getting printed in the reverse order, right? How it is getting printed in the reverse order, understand it. And p is equals to now here. So this also printed something but did not return you anything, right? So no return. Line number 6, console.log n. So basically printing n is equals to 2. So 2 got printed. Now I came here. N is 3. P2, no value is returned. Line number 6. What is there? So print console.log n. So print n is 3. 3 got printed. So last problem that we see, if you remember it now, so if you can, like if you have not understood clearly, try to compare both the problem and see it at the same time. Okay, not same time means see one problem, then see the other problem. You will understand much better. I'll bring some more problems which will clear you these concepts. Okay, so you got 1 to 3. So this was one of the way. Let's understand another way, that is like the tree method, right? So this will be like P3. So it'll be like awesome. So now it will have two parts, two lines is there. No? We neglect the base condition. So this is like P2, and this will be like 3 is printed. This is like P1 and 2 is printed. Okay, this is like P0 and 1 is printed. And P0 will stop because the base condition becomes false, like get activated, right? Okay, so now for the output, you know how to find the output. This way the snake will go, and it got 1 first. Then my snake will get 2. And finally my snake will go to 3. Right? I think you got the idea how to get the output, right? Perfect. So this was the second problem I brought to you to understand. Okay. So currently we are just visualizing, like what do you say, recursion. Why? Because when you are learning loops, what is the first thing that you do? You first understand how loop works, then you start with the problems. So currently, don't worry about if you are able to generate logic in recursion or not. That you will be able to generate after I end recursion. But currently, what we are focusing on, we are more focusing on, if a recursion is written, how can I understand it? What is happening there? This is the first step. Then only I'll be able to think it, like once I completely understand how it is working. Okay, so this is a great idea. Okay guys, that's all for this video. So I'll meet you in the next video, but before I go, just one request. Please like, subscribe, and do let me know if you have any problems in the comment section. Okay, I'll be very happy to reply to your comments. Okay, awesome. See you guys. Bye-bye.